My name's Halloween Hunter, and today we are going to be unboxing and setting up and reviewing my Ghost Girl. So unfortunately, her arms don't wave and one arm doesn't go up. So yeah, there she is. So let's get the scissors and we'll unbox it. Can't do it with, maybe I can. Can't do it. Okay. Hold on. I can't do it with my hand. Okay, got the box opened. So I actually packed it like it is brand new. Tie the arms. I can't do it with one hand. I got a key. Yeah, that I actually need. And you have to take it out. Because if you don't take it out, it might not rise and I don't know, maybe will cause damage. So, yeah. Take a very heavy body out. Gotta untie her arms. Okay, we got that out. There's a head, if you can see. Okay, got the head out. And then I need the adapter. I do have the instructions, but I'm not going to need those. So I'm not going to use them. So all you really need is just 2 parts. Not including the adapter, the body, and the head. First, get the head and slide it on. Make sure you're hearing a snap. And also, sometimes she does not fully rise, and then the next activation she does. So I don't know what's wrong with that. Then get the adapter and just plug that into that outlet right there. Hearing a snap. Then getting this and and seeing this. Then after you plug this in, you'll go. And also she does have that sensor. That is the sensor. Yeah, and then she just does that. I don't know what is wrong. Just do it one more time, and I want you to see the fully not rising. Okay, bye guys. Just gonna say goodbye now. Bye bye.